Hey folks, what is going on? Currently rolling in the beautiful West Virginia, I-77 northbound. Loaded up some steel frames from Charlotte to Toledo, Ohio for $2,000. About three and some change on the mile. Current update is that got my Hellcat fixed up. Paid another couple grand to get the trans replaced, second time in a row. Also played a 05 Ranger on Copart today and picked it up for $2,400. 30,000 original miles on it, and once I get loaded up in Ohio with a couple cars headed to South Carolina tomorrow, I'll make a video of me picking up that Ranger, guys. I'm actually quite excited. Quite excited to buy just some everyday run around the house doing errands, stuff like that. Vehicle for those type of situations, because I don't really want to unhook every time I get into town. But so far so good. Took like 10 days off. Had some fun. Another situation is got approved on the SBA loan, so that's good. The PPP forgivable one, so life is progressing shortly. Yeah, I've decided to do quite a short run, guys, because I gotta have like 2 days to pick up that Ranger before they start charging storage fees, and then that's like $40 a day, so gotta make some money right quick. Also, in other good news, the $1,400 came through, which is indeed a blessing, the way you look at it. Guys, that's the current update. As always, thanks for viewing, and have a wonderful Monday afternoon. Hope you guys have a productive week. I'll see y'all later.